We're back. Sorry it's been so long, you guys, but let's get you all updated. Let's go get the chickens. You guys ready?
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, standing in the middle of a bonfire. Don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Somehow we lost track of everything but each other.
Everybody out? Yep. So Ozzy and his two girls are out. They were happy. They haven't had some outside time for a couple of days. You guys hang out with them for a couple minutes. Oh, shoot, you guys, no. Well, all right, we'll try it. So they don't normally get to go all the way out. They're usually in the garden. And so it means Simon and Ash are out together, so that could be problems. So I really have to pay attention, but they really wanted to go out. And we're getting to the point where they are not going to have a lot of outdoor time. So I'm kind of being a little bit more lenient than I would be. All right, what's going on in here? Hi, what are you doing? I know, you're broody. Look at that pretty egg. I'm going to steal it. I don't see anything else. Hi. Hi. I don't want you, broody. I don't want you, broody. I know. Oh. See, my hair's in my eyes. Good. Kick him out. So who else is still in here? I think Miley is. Oh no, Miley went out. Oh good. So broody scare me because Miley, when she goes broody, she doesn't eat or drink. So I have to pay really a lot of attention to her. So she's eating. She's flock is. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Just calling for them. And she found them. All right. I'm also going to let the white girls out. Oh, you know, maybe not. I want to keep my hatching eggs pure, so I don't want to have an accidental love session with Simon. So they can stay in today. Hi. I've had a really hard time, you guys, keeping track of who's who. I tried the toenails thing. I've painted their heads. What's up with you? She's shaking a lot, her head. We're going to do ivermectin today and give everybody another dose because we have been struggling with mites this year. So their second dose is ready. I've dosed them with everything through the summer and it has been a struggle. I've used everything that everybody says to use and just gonna be tenacious. Hi, Freddie. Hi. Hi. Oh, be careful. Someone in the back there is laying an egg or she's going broody. Silkies, broody little babies. But anyways, I need to recolor their egg. I may need to put color on their heads again. See, there's a little bit still here. We'll see. They all got tested by the state. So I might be able to just go by the numbers. I just have to document them then. Then I'll know they have tags on their feet. So that's everybody. The little boys. There's a little splash boy and a little black boy there. They're my backups for breeding this next summer. They ended up being gorgeous. They were from hatching eggs. So they got some outside time a little bit later. I've whittled down everybody. Basically, I kept the very best of what I had, and then everybody else went to new homes. I'm part of a chicken or bird swap group in Vermont, and they have swaps throughout the year, and I was able to go to one way in northern Vermont. I think it took me like 3 hours to get there, and I had 14 birds with me, and everybody found new homes. And that was really cool, and it was really easy because the majority of those birds were roosters. A couple were girls that I sold to a friend of mine who's also a breeder. She was looking for them. They didn't fit with what I was doing, so she got them. One was a paint girl, and one was one of our black girls that didn't have a beard. So I don't have any paints. It's probably not going to be a color I'm going to do, but who knows in the future. But, and I couldn't use her in any of the flocks that I have so far. So basically I've kept my pet flock. You know, as you guys know, there are chickens that will never leave us. They are our babies. And then I have my breeding flocks, which, yes, I do get attached to some, but I have to kind of be realistic that I'm trying to better my flocks, you know, for people to buy and stuff like that. So sometimes really hard decisions have to be made, and a chicken that I may love has to go to another home, or somebody else who's breeding thinks that they fit great with their flocks. So it's just kind of that scramble that I do. Plus, don't really make a lot of money in the winter off these guys. So the less I have to feed, the better. So I do have the whites. I have 5 girls and 1 rooster. And then I have our BBS flock. So blues, chocolates, a couple of splashes. The only thing I'm missing from that flock is I don't have a blue hen. That'll be something that I'll be looking for next year, or I may get somebody in our hatching eggs. But there are, hey, be nice, 4 hens and Simon the rooster. Freddie's the white rooster. And then on this side is Ozzy and 2 girls. So Ozzy is our pet. He will never go anywhere. We love him to pieces. And he is with 2 girls that are colors that I don't have a flock for, but I'm really interested in possibly starting new colors this summer, but I don't know. Hi, Simon. So the geese joined us, and they are now in this coop, which we were using as storage. And actually, I still have some stuff in it. So that is a project to remove that. I built a like a shed out of a cattle panel and attached it to one of our other sheds. And it's got some support, some framing that helps support it. I'm hoping it doesn't collapse this winter, but it has been easier to get to some of the stuff. It's just stuff that we use pretty often, so I didn't want it in the faraway shed. So that stuff will go in that other shed, and then they'll get this whole coop, which is, I think it's 4x8, excluding like the 4-inch walls. So 4x2, I mean 8x whatever. I think I got distracted because somebody has gotten out of the fence. That little chocolate girl is able to fit through one of the holes in that fence. And then she forgets, when she wants to come back, she forgets which one it is. So guys, sometimes you'll see the chickens running around flapping their wings, and that's kind of like what I love so much, that it appears to be joy. They really love being out and about and chickening. Bill and I call it chickening. So see, that little chocolate girl is trying to figure out how to get back. She never figures it out. I always have to go get her. I mean, next spring I'll put up a fencing that has little smaller holes in it, because they're really not going to be out here excuse me, that much longer. I'm gonna leave you guys here while I go get that little chocolate girl. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, did you find a good yum yum? There you go. Don't go out again. Where are you going, Miley? I don't want you broody. So it's in the 20s, and Ash's flock hanging out underneath the picnic table. And he just crowed from under there. See, they're all puffed to keep warm, but they'd rather be out here than in the warmer coop. Crazy. So I want to introduce you guys to, they're not exactly the newest additions. We had a couple of videos, short videos on them, but we got these guys in July. And this is Wilma, this is Fred, and this is Snowflake. And Wilma and Fred are a heritage breed called Pilgrim. They're Pilgrim geese. And Snowflake is a Chinese goose. So 2 girls and a boy. So hopefully we'll get baby geese this year. Aren't they pretty? They're really pretty, and they are so funny. And they really are like easy to take care of. They're eating a little bit more now, but they're vegetarians. And during the summer, the majority of their food was what was in the yard. You know, they wander around and would rather eat the greens and stuff. A little different now, but they do get lettuces and stuff like that a couple times a week. They're pretty though, aren't they? They're pretty. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys. And if you want to see the last video that we did in July, I'll put it up here. Have a great day. See you guys soon. Bye.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep.